Welcome back to Sevenfold. In this week's quick tip for Rhino, we're going to be looking at user text attributes. If you don't know what that is, that's basically the ability to add keys and values directly into your Rhino model to make it start to feel kind of like BIM in Revit. But if you're not sure how to use this, we're going to pop the hood, show a couple different applications on how I'm using it, and I'm curious to hear how you are applying it in your work as well. So if we're just meeting for the first time, my name is Tim Halverson. This is Sevenfold, where we unlock your creativity through the power of design technology in architecture. So if you're interested in learning stuff like this every single week, definitely consider subscribing for future videos. All right, with that, let's go ahead and get into the tip of the week. We've got a little illustration model here opened up, and we look at doing all this modeling over at the BIM Academy. But the quick tip is looking at the staircase. And if you're not aware, there's actually in the properties, you can go to the properties palette. And if you go inside that, over here on the right is the user text attributes. It might be acronymed UTA or ATU or AUT. User text attributes, and in here you have the ability to add a key and a value on any object in Rhino. Okay, and so you can see here it's selected. The key is material, which is the same in Revit as a parameter, and then the property value. Okay, and what's nice is I can go ahead and right click on this and say select objects by key, which is this. And so I can see all the objects that currently have that key associated with them are just these stair treads. So I can see that some of them actually didn't get the key on it. Or, and I see value varies. Or I can say, go ahead and select by value. So I can isolate down, just typing in isolate. And now I can see just where those objects have been assigned. Now I can do this manually, which is a bit painstaking, and there is this match property values to kind of streamline things, but the real juice comes when you actually do this in Grasshopper when you bake things out. So it's a really useful way if you start to coordinate your colors. And again, if you do cell color and then isolate, this is a really good way to start to target your selections, make edits once you're out of Grasshopper back into the Rhino environment, and you can start to strategize about how to contextualize your design to be color coordinated, to carry these user text attributes, and really leverage how to navigate your model. All right, so it's one of those things I definitely want you to consider as an opportunity to use. You can build this out with as many keys and values as you want. It's definitely a great way to streamline how to access your content in Rhino. Hey my friend, did you know about user text attributes? Maybe not. Well, what's cool is you can also apply those to blocks and any geometry that's in your entire project. So how are you planning to use that to help manage your model a little bit better? I'm curious. Definitely let me know in the comments what you're thinking about that. And we're going to be looking at how to apply user text attributes in the Grasshopper Core Practice course that's coming soon. And if you're in the meantime, until that's made available, definitely head over to the BIM Academy, get signed up for the free account, start tracking your learning progress there. And if you want to see more content like this, definitely hit the like button. It helps the algorithm get it out to more people who are curious like you. And I appreciate your time, attention, and enthusiasm. As always, this is Tim Halverson, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care, my friend.